In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Sweat wallet account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, on your mobile device, open up your Play or App Store and then search for Sweat Wallet. So go to search apps, type in Sweat Wallet. And now you want to click on this one here, the Sweat Wallet. So it's got over 10 million downloads with close to 600,000 reviews. So click on install, and now give that a few moments to download and to install onto your device. Once that is done, click onto open. All right, I'm going to click onto open. Now from here, you want to click onto continue with Google or other methods. So if I click on the other methods, you can enter your wallet. So type username, secret phrase, etc. But we want to create a wallet. So essentially when you click on continue with Google, you're going to create and sign in at the same time on the Sweat wallet. So I'm going to choose my account here. And now I'm going to continue as tutorial is. And now, as you can see, it's signing me in. This is the first time I've used this app. So it's going to sign me in and create my account for me. So before we continue, you've got to accept the terms and click on create my wallet. Now, as you can see, it's preparing my wallet, so this can take a few seconds. And there you go, your wallet has been created. Now from here, just click on to let's start. Just gives you a quick rundown of your wallet, and then click on open your wallet. And now you're inside your wallet and you're ready to start getting some crypto.